So, the Xiaomi Mi Smart Clock. It's basically a Google Nest, but in the shape of a clock. You can ask it all types of stuff you can your Google Assistant. It updates the time via Wi-Fi and the location is also automatically assigned. It has volume buttons on the top and also has a mic off button in case you caught this smart clock listening in on your conversations. The speakers sounded really good actually, better than my Philips wake-up light, which is like €160, and the small clock only is €40. So once again, enjoy the images and I'll see you on the next video.